Want to know how you can take a screenshot on iPhone by just double tapping the back of your iPhone? In this video, I will show you how. You can do this using a hidden feature called back tap. To enable it, go ahead and launch Open Settings. Now find the option of Accessibility. Here, find the option of Touch. Now find the option Back Tap, select that. Now you can select double tap or triple tap. I'm going to select double tap. Here you will find different options. Find the one that says screenshot, then select it. Once you have selected that, you can simply head back out of the settings. Now all you want to do is hold your iPhone still and double tap on the back. You should see a screenshot taken instantly. The feature works best when the iPhone isn't moving too much. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.